Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. What is Days Inventory Outstanding, DIO? DIO is an important metric that measures how quickly a company can turn its inventory into sales. In this video, we'll explain what DIO is, how to calculate it, and strategies for reducing it. Days Inventory Outstanding, or DIO, is a financial ratio that tells us the average number of days it takes for a company to sell its inventory. It provides insights into the efficiency of a company's inventory management and helps identify potential issues or opportunities. A lower DIO generally indicates better inventory management, as it suggests that inventory is being sold quickly. Now, let's talk about how to calculate DIO. The formula is simple. DIO is equal to the average inventory divided by the cost of goods sold, COGS, per day. Here's the formula. DIO equals average inventory, COGS, 365. To calculate the average inventory, you sum up the beginning and ending inventory for a specific period, let's say a year, and divide it by 2. COGS can be found on the income statement. So, why is it important to reduce DIO? Well, a high DIO can tie up a significant amount of a company's working capital, potentially leading to increased costs, decreased liquidity, and missed growth opportunities. Let's discuss some strategies for reducing DIO. Inventory optimization. Analyze your inventory levels and identify slow-moving or obsolete items. Consider implementing just-in-time (JIT) inventory management to reduce excess stock. Demand forecasting. Accurately forecast demand to ensure that you maintain optimal inventory levels. This will help prevent stockouts or overstocking situations. Supplier relationships. Establish strong relationships with suppliers to ensure reliable and timely deliveries. This can help reduce lead times and prevent stock shortages. Streamline processes. Identify any bottlenecks or inefficiencies in your supply chain processes. Streamline operations to improve inventory turnover and reduce DIO. Let's look at a real-life example to better understand the concept. Imagine a retail company with an average inventory of $500,000 and an annual COGS of $2 million. Using the formula we discussed earlier, we can calculate the DIO as follows. DIO equals $500,000 per $2 million, asterisk 365 equals 91.25 days. This means, on average, it takes the company approximately 91.25 days to sell its inventory. To sum it up, Days Inventory Outstanding, DIO, is a crucial metric for evaluating a company's inventory management efficiency. By calculating DIO and implementing strategies to reduce it, businesses can improve their working capital, increase liquidity, and optimize their operations. Remember, managing inventory effectively is vital for any company's success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.